you give me some details, or rather, can you kind of, I guess, put together a manifest that gives me a little bit more capabilities other than just deploying Mongo and a service? Like, if I'm trying to deploy like a larger set of components, can you kind of show a bigger, yeah, there you go, a bigger deployment?
Yep. So I already have a release set up here that is a little bit larger. This one contains multiple phases and a single group per phase. So you can see here, we're also going to be deploying Mongo and LessChat again, but then we have a MySQL database getting deployed, Ghost getting deployed, and then also Grafana getting deployed in the third phase. And in this first phase, you can see we have databases here. So this is so that these two candidates in this second phase will not be deployed until these first two databases have been deployed. So this will prevent that scenario we were talking about earlier, where you could have the Mongo not be up in time for LessChat and causing a crash loop. So this is kind of handling those cases where you need things to be ready before the others are deployed.
So basically, this allows you to kind of do some kind of dependency management if you know that these candidates need to be deployed before the other ones.
Yes. So I can go ahead and start this deployment.